Welcome to the video. I'm Jay Flat Out, and today we're doing more BMW things. Boom.
If you're feeling good, put your hands up. Keep it going, baby, let me see you dance now. If you're trying to let loose, put your hands up. Forget about your ex, fill another damn cup. I've never been the type of dude to settle it down, but if I had a pretty lady, man, I'd give her the crown. Got a little bit of love and little thing that'll found. Yeah, that significant other makes your world go round. But today, we on that Netflix and chill shit, claiming more than one bae on the hit list. Break up acting like the other never existed, hooking up and getting jealous. Now we all throwing bitch fits, man, I get it. Bro, you get all these bitches, what the hell you gonna do when baes meet in the mistress? Now you shit out of luck, cause you think you're above, and then you messed around and lost a perfect girl who could love. And it's because the other girl, you hit her up, you tryna chill, it's only lust, what is the deal? And then she caught you in the act and said enough is enough. If you're feeling good, put your hands up. Keep it going, baby, let me see you dance now. If you're trying to let loose, put your hands up. Forget about your ex, fill another damn cup. If you're feeling good, put your hands up. Keep it going, baby, let me see you dance now. If you're trying to let loose, put your hands up. Forget about your ex, fill another damn cup. A generation thinking Facebook is the route to getting cuffed. Post a picture of your babe, but all she does is huff and puff. She caught you with the other girl, it happened so abrupt. No explanation needed, bro, she's taking back her stuff. But she ain't really innocent, nothing short of coincidental. Cheating, deceiving the other, now you both be grieving and pleading. The price you paying when you try to keep it discreet. I'll say relationships that look the best ain't always what they seem. Social media consoles all the souls of crying teens. Get lost in all your favorite shows, don't go behind the scenes. It's safer to imagine that it's perfect on the screen, and it's that cold hard truth that no one ever really sees. And now you say you wanna know if it was real or just a hoax, if how you felt was just a joke. Straight up, if that was me, man, I would get up and go. I'm gone. If you're feeling good, put your hands up. Keep it going, baby, let me see you dance now. If you're trying to let loose, put your hands up. Forget about your ex, fill another damn cup. If you're feeling good, put your hands up. Keep it going, baby, let me see you dance now. If you're trying to let loose, put your hands up. Forget about your ex, fill another damn cup.
So, the observant viewer will note that we did not do the most conventional strip job of the interior, just like this video last week where we stripped the exterior and the engine. So, I just want to reiterate one more time for you guys that will inevitably comment saying, you guys are retarded, you guys don't know what you're doing. This is a crude strip. This is a race car. It's not a street car. It's not a luxury car. It's not a comfort car. It's going to be a straight race car, bare bones. So it's getting prepped now to go to the cage to get the, well, sorry, the interior needs to be painted first. Then it's going to be caged. Then we'll put seats and start building out the rest of the car. Pretty much everything is coming together. The angle kit, it has been ordered and finally shipped. The seat rails came in from the UK a couple days before filming the video that you just watched, and other things are coming together nicely. So like I said, if you do want to follow along and you inevitably want to see that 4-door LS swap BMW 3 Series drift around the track here at Vegas Drift at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, make sure you're subscribed. There's no other way. If you guys don't know, that's down below. It's always down below. So just hit that button, throw us a like on it for having a bunch of guys together stripping a car very, very rapidly last night. And on to other things today. We have to keep the vlog going. We can't stay with this all day long, and it is now, at the time of filming this, January 5th, which means that it's now tax time. So I'm on the way to H&R Block. Tax time is good for some, bad for others. We're gonna find out how it is for me, but I want you guys to know, no matter what, I'm still here with you. I'm still here with the vlog. We're still here with the food vlog, with the drift builds, with the automotive content, and with the orange sunrise monsters. Cheers.
We're gonna finish this video off back at the house. Tax appointment didn't go too bad. It actually went better than I thought, mostly because I spent so much money this year upgrading computers and cameras, and that's all tax deductible, seeing as I do make income from the media side of things. Also, I had about $9,500 worth of medical work done between my teeth and getting my appendix out and stuff like that. So that's all tax deductible. Also, I had about $6,000 in sales tax when I bought the Audi S6, and that is deductible as well. So had some larger deductions this year, which will help me out, but that's nice. But anyway, that's irrelevant. I want to finish off the video with a couple of updates for you guys who follow along. After doing my taxes, I kind of got rid of these. I used to use these Bluetooth headphones at work because I keep getting pulled over for being on the phone while driving. I don't drive the S6 or the Dodge at work. I actually have a different work truck. The problem is, as you guys know, I have two phones, and those only connect to one, so usually this is my work phone, so if I'm on this and this rings, anyway. So I got the Power Beats 3 wireless. They're kind of cool. They come in like a silicone little egg, and you can pull them out. A little bit less of a footprint, and you just kind of fling them over your neck like that. And I did a little test so far. The music sounds good. I'm not sure how the call quality is going to be, but they're really comfortable to wear. So we'll see how those go. Other than that, you guys are asking me all the time on Instagram about projects, and if you haven't seen yet, there is a LS Swap V8 BMW 3 Series drift car project ongoing at the moment. Actually, you guys saw that in the beginning of this video. I'm leaning towards doing a long travel Toyota Tacoma this year. So if you guys have any glaring reasons not to do that, go ahead and leave it in the comments below, or hit me up on Instagram at jflatout in the DMs. I reply to pretty much every DM I get, unless it's something dumb. Just kidding, I reply to every DM. Yeah, I want something that's kind of, the Ram is great, I love the Ram, but it's so big and it's so uncomfortable to drive that it's almost not fun, and anything that we do off-road, it pretty much gets damaged immediately. So I want something that is a little bit cheaper, a little bit easier to work on, a little bit holds its value a little bit better like the Tacomas do, but I can actually take it off-road, and if something breaks, not worrying about it being in the thousands of dollars or it being more durable off-road altogether. So those are the updates for 2018. I'm pretty much set on the Tacoma. You guys are watching this now, but in about a week from when I'm filming this, I'm getting the answer on a new opportunity, and if I get that opportunity, that'll kind of justify the expense of building a new truck. So we'll kind of see. I'm about a week out on that. I just want to make sure that I have the money. I just want to make sure that I can continue to mod it, and I'm not dipping into savings or not spending way more than I need to spend. The S6, still, we're just going to keep it, pretty much stock, maybe wheels and stuff like that down the road, but again, not really the type of car that you modify. So that's pretty much all the updates for right now. I can't think of anything else. There is much more to come. Again, like I said earlier, if you did enjoy the V8 swapped BMW, make sure you subscribe. It's got its own playlist. It's got all the fun stuff that you guys know and love. So please do check that out. I'm excited for that. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Ryan Little. Yoga.